In which state does the governor nominate women to assembly? The state is Jammu and Kashmir. The first speaker of the Lok Sabha was Ruby Rai. When was Article Act enacted in India? The Act enacted in India 5th July 2005. The term fourth estate is used for press and newspaper. Communism has given importance to economic equality. Who was the first woman ambassador from India? She was Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C option is correct. From each according to his capacity to each according to his needs is the principle of communism. C option is correct. Who was the first woman chief minister of a state? She was Sucheta Kriplani. Socialist thinkers advocate the extension of the right to equality in economic sphere. Popular sovereignty was advocated by Thomas Hobbes. The creamy layer concept refers to the grouping based on economic status. Who was the president of India during Janata Party regime? The president of India during Janata Party regime is N. Sanjeev Reddy. Which Lok Sabha constituency had the highest number of voters during the 13th Lok Sabha elections? The constituency was Outer Delhi. B option is correct. Who from the following was a member of the Rajya Sabha at the time of appointment as Prime Minister? The person was Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Out of the following, which political party has not been recognized as a national political party? The party was Bharatiya Janata Party. The federal system with a strong centre has been borrowed by the Indian Constitution from Canada. English is the official language of which one of the following Indian states? It is the language of Nagaland. A option is correct. What is the minimum percentage of votes a political party must get to acquire the status of registered party? The percentage is 3%. C option is correct. The National Integration Council is chaired by the Prime Minister, which is a permanent institution. Family is a permanent institution. Which one of the following is a hindrance to liberty and independence? This is centralization. Which of the following is not correct? The thing that is not correct, a person seeking election to a state legislative assembly must have completed the age of 18, not 21 years. C option is correct here. Which of the following is the correct chronological order of the Prime Ministers of India? Correct chronological orders: first Jawaharlal Nehru, after Jawaharlal Nehru Indira Gandhi, and after Indira Gandhi Morarji Desai, and after Morarji Desai Charan Singh. C option will be correct here. Next question. The first lady of Indian screen to have been nominated to the Rajya Sabha, she was Nargis. Right to education become a fundamental right on April 1, 2010. Right to education become a fundamental right on April 1, 2010. The idea of Lokpal is taken from Scandinavian countries. Which country is following one party system? The country is China. The anti-defection law was passed by Indian Parliament in the year of 1985. Who among the following has become the Chief Minister of a state in India third time consecutively? The person was Tarun Gogoi. Who founded the Republican Party of India? It was founded by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. One of the following is the smallest area-wise Lok Sabha constituency in India. It is Chandni Chowk. A option is correct. Which of the following is protected under Wildlife Protection Act 1972? It is porcupine. A option is correct. Which among the following is not true about pressure group? The thing that is not true, pressure groups aim at capturing government. This is not true. A option is correct. Next question. Who was the first to use the term state? He was Machiavelli. The option is correct. He was actually Machiavelli. Which one of the following is opposite to democratic state? It is despotism. Which presently serving state chief minister has been in office continuously for longest period? She was Manik Sarkar. The option is correct. Name the prime minister who brought about a thaw in India-China relations by signing the line of actual control. The Prime Minister was P.V. Narasimha Rao. B option is correct. Who had played key role in formation of Lokpal Bill India? It has played by Anna Hazare. B option is correct. Which of the following states has recorded rudest voting percent in Vidhan Sabha election 2013? It has done by Mizoram. C option is correct. Which of the following high courts has legalized gay sex in India during 2009? It was legalized by Delhi High Court? C option is correct here. Next question. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha had passed the Lokpal bill with more strong amendments in 2013. How many assembly segments are there as per Vidhan Sabha elections 2013 in Delhi? There are 70 segments. A option is correct. The Mandal Commission report refers to the other backward caste. Democratic centralism is an important feature of a communist state. Shadow cabinet is the feature of administrative system of Britain. Consumer Protection Act 1986 was amended in. This will be answered by you in the comment section. Section of IPC which deals with LGBT, lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender community is 377. What is the ancient school of law? Ancient school of law, the philosophical school. Which among the following is not a preventive detention act? The act that is not a preventive detention act is Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. The option is correct. Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India in 1972. A option is correct. Which of the following is not dealt under section 3 of the Environment Protection Act 1986? It is protection of plant varieties and farmer right authority. The option is correct. The playing time in seconds of full version of Indian national anthem is 52 seconds. In India, woman had never been a chief minister in the state of Maharashtra. The option is correct. Public opinion is the opinion of the majority. On which data did Rajya Sabha pass the Marriage Laws Amendment Bill 2012? The data was of 26th August 2013. C option is correct. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt national anthem? It has been adopted on the 24th of January 1950. Which committee was established on criminal, politician and bureaucratic nexus? The committee was Vohra Committee. In which year was the Prevention of Terrorism Act (POTA) enacted? It has been enacted on 2002. Which one of the following committee's report recommended the establishment of the institution of Lokpal and Lok Ayukt? It is First Administrative Reform Committee. A option is correct. The Women's Reservation Bill seeks how much reservation for women in state assemblies and Lok Sabha? 33% reservation. C option is correct. What is the fascist view of state? Fascist view of state is nation state is unquestionably sovereign. The option is correct. Which factor is necessary for the development of democratic institution? It is respect for individual rights. The National Green Tribunal deals with the cases relating to environmental protection and conservation of forest. The first general election in India and first amendment to the constitution was held in 1951. Which of the following considers the state as primarily a social organization? It is sociological approach. Which of the following statements is correct with regard to appointment of the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? It is she has to be retired Chief Justice of India. A option is correct. In a cut motion, when the amount of demand is reduced by ₹100, it is known as token cut. The option is correct. Now we will discuss the question of geography because our third chapter is geography. We will discuss all the topics of geography: physical geography, economic geography, human geography. So let's start. First question, on which of the following planets water cycle is available? Water cycle is available on Earth. B option is correct. The asteroids revolve around the sun in between. It rounds the sun in between Mars and Jupiter. B option is correct. Which of the following is called the twin of Earth? It is Venus that is called the twin of Earth. Which amidst the following planets has its orbit closest to sun? The planet is Venus. The light from the sun reaches the earth in about 8 minutes. The surface temperature of the sun is estimated as 6000 degrees Celsius. A option is correct. Which one of the following planets has no moon? The planet is Mercury. Which one of the following is called a red planet? This is Mars that is called a red planet. C option is correct. Brightest planet in our solar system is Venus. The Milky Way galaxy was first observed by Galileo. Which of the following statement is not correct? It is correct. Pluto is not a planet now. This is correct. Pluto was discovered by Slide Thunberg in 1930. This is correct. Pluto has been given the number 134340. All of the above are correct. What is the hottest planet in solar system? Hottest planet in solar system is Venus. C option is correct. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. The four largest planet of our solar system in decreasing size are, decreasing size means first Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus and then Neptune. C option is correct. The number of satellites of the planet in Mercury is 0. A option is correct. Which of the following does not belong to the solar system? This is nebulas that does not belong to the solar system. Which is the coldest among the following? It is Pluto, that is coldest among the following. The moon is showing its same face to the earth because its period of rotation and revolution are the same. C option is correct. Among the following, the celestial body farthest from the earth is Neptune. C option is correct. Pulsars are rapidly spinning stars. The option is correct. Biggest planet of solar system is Jupiter. Which is the second nearest star to the earth after the sun? This is Proxima Centauri. C option is correct. The outermost layer of the sun is called corona. C option is correct. The planet revolving east to west is Venus. The planet emitting green light is Uranus. The number of zodiacs is 12. Which of the following is known as the morning star? It is Venus, that is known as the morning star. Which planet orbits closest to Earth? The planet is Venus. Solar energy is received by the Earth through radiation. The planets on the either side of the Earth are Mars and Venus. Which planet looks reddish in the night sky? The planet is Mars. Isohelps are the isoplates of sunshine. The mass of Jupiter is approximately 1000 of the solar mass. B option is correct. The planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. The planet that takes 88 days to make one revolution of the sun is Mercury. Supernova is an exploding star. Which planet in our solar system is nearly as big as the Earth? The planet is Venus. Which of the following is called blue planet? It is Earth. Which planet in our solar system is nearly as big as the Earth? The planet is Venus. Which planets do not have satellites revolving around them? The planets are Mercury and Venus. The planet which has the highest surface temperature is Venus. Light from the sun reaches us in nearly 8 minutes. A spinning neutron star is known as pulsar. The option is correct. When the moon completely covers the sun, it is known as the umbra. B option is correct. The darkest portion of the shadow cast during the eclipse is umbra. B option is correct. The total number of planets revolving around the sun is 8. B option is correct. In a solar or lunar eclipse, the region of Earth's shadow is divided into 3 parts. Day and night are equal at the equator. Name the first Asian country to orbit Mars. The country is India. Which of the following scientists proved that path of each planet around the sun is elliptical? Kepler. A option is correct. Which of the following is an alternative theory to the Big Bang theory developed in 1948, stating that the universe does not change even though it is expanding over time? It is steady state theory. B option is correct. The constellation Saptarishi is known to Westerners as the Big Dipper. C option is correct. Which of these is a dwarf planet? It is Iris, that is a dwarf planet. Iris. Next question. A star twinkle but planets do not twinkle because they are nearer to the earth and hence we receive a greater amount of light and therefore minor variation in intensity are not noticeable. The option is correct. The outermost layer of the sun is called corona. On which date is India likely to experience the shortest day? The date is December 22. When does solar eclipse take place? Solar eclipse takes place when the moon is between the sun and earth. C option is correct. When does the sun shine vertically on equator? Sun shine vertically on equator on once a year. D option is correct. If a star is bigger than sun but not more than twice as big, it will turn into a pulsar. A option is correct. Next question. The sunlight is available 24 hours on the longest day at which of the following latitudes of the earth? The latitude is 62 by 12. B option is correct. Next question. The Grand Canyon is located on the Colorado River. A option is correct. Extensive deserts occur in the western tropical regions of continents because of the effect of both the offshore easterly trade winds and cold ocean currents. C option is correct. The deposits of the ancient Tethys Sea were folded to from the Himalayas. A option is correct. Which one of the following types of erosion is responsible for the formation of Chambal ravines? It is gully. The option is correct. The west to east extension of the Himalayas is from Indus Gorge to the Hang Gorge. Next question. Most of the devastating earthquakes are usually caused by collision of earth plates. Which of the following is greatest circle? It is equator, that is greatest circle. Hanging Valley is formed due to the action of glacier. Basaltic lava is found in the Deccan Trave. Which of the following types of erosion is responsible for the formation of Chambal ravines? It is gully. The option is correct. Consider the following geological phenomena. Development of fault, movement along a fault, impact produced by a volcanic eruption, folding of rocks. Which of the above causes earthquakes? The things that causes earthquake is development of fault, movement along the fault, and impact produced by a volcanic eruption. All these causes earthquakes. A option is correct. Shale is metamorphosed into which of the following rocks? It metamorphosed in slate. The option is correct. Where are the hot deserts generally found? It is found on the western margins of the tropics. Why are winters more severe in southern hemisphere than in northern hemisphere? Because earth is tilted towards the sun in the northern hemisphere. A option is correct. Marble is the metamorphosed form of limestone. The option is correct. The highest mountain peak of the Himalayas is situated in Nepal. The option is correct. Metamorphic rocks originate from both igneous and sedimentary rocks. C option is correct. The term epicenter is associated with earthquake. The earth rotates on its axis at an inclination of 23rd and a half. A option is correct. Next question. Dolomite is a sedimentary rock. A geyser is a spring which throws water and steam at regular intervals. C option is correct. Which one of the following is igneous rock? It is granite, that is an igneous rock. How many minutes for each degree of longitude does the local time of any place vary from the Greenwich time? It vary from Greenwich 4 minutes. B option is correct.